Konnichiwa, everybody! I've been following hip-hop lessons, can you tell? Anyways, hey everybody, welcome to a new video, and I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. I'm sorry. My brain is just being very complicated lately and it's kind of hard for me to film. So I'm very sorry. I'll try to be more consistent and post more videos, because this is no bueno. Also, if you have any video ideas for me, please let me know, because I just don't have any inspiration at all anymore, and it is very annoying for me and probably also for you, because that means that I just disappear from the internet. Today I actually do have an idea for a video, because in my last video I tried to put okra in my hair, because apparently that really helps with like frizzy, curly, wavy hair. But ever since I posted this video, a lot of you have been telling me that I should do a protein treatment, because apparently that really helps with frizzy and like damaged hair as well. So today we are going to try that out. What is it with humans and protein, by the way? Like everybody is like obsessed with protein. What's up with that? Hello and welcome to my research office. Here we shall look up the effects of protein in your hair, because honestly I actually don't really know where it's good for you. What does protein do to damaged hair? Okay, so basically everything on this page right now is not about the good things of having protein in your hair, but it's all about having too much protein in your hair, and like too much protein making your hair brittle and break more easily, which is actually the exact opposite of what we're trying to do today. Protein treatment for hair. Yes. Just like your body, your hair needs protein in order to stay healthy. If your hair feels limp or weak, it may be a sign that your hair needs a protein treatment. Protein treatment boosts the hair with a variety of nutrients and proteins to help reconstruct and strengthen hair strands. We like that. Here are 5 signs your hair needs a protein treatment. Number 1, your hair has high porosity. I definitely feel like it has high porosity because it really soaks up like every product. Your hair has lost its elasticity. Okay, so this happened to me like the other day. I was washing my hair and I was just like playing with my hair and I like stretched it and it just snapped off. It was like tearing it like a piece of paper. That was crazy. So yeah, I feel like that's a sign it's not good. Your hair is stringy or limp. Your hair feels gummy or sticky. I don't know, my hair always feels weird, but it feels more like dry than like gummy. Or what? I don't know. What does gummy even mean? I feel like gummy would be like rubber. I don't think that feels like rubber. You've recently colored your hair. Okay, yeah, we all know. Yeah, okay. So basically, what they say that the protein does, if you look at this, these are different like hair cuticles. This is normal, porous, and this is damaged. It's supposed to be closed, but my hair obviously is like this. So it's very rough, open, disgusting, thinner than this one. No bueno. So apparently what happens if you use a protein treatment, yeah, it will fill the gaps of the hair cuticle, making it a more closed off cuticle and stronger. And we want that. So yeah, let's just get started. The products that I shall be using today are the Effigy 2-step protein treatment. And I think, if I remember correctly, that I've used this before, like ages ago. I also remember that it worked like really well on my hair, but I also remembered that it worked so well on my hair that I was so impressed by the product that I decided to use it again like 2 weeks later, and then like all my hair broke off, because apparently, like we just found out, you can have too much protein in your hair. Like, let me just read the instructions, see what it says. I really like it when like the instructions are like on the packaging like this. You have like a little pamphlet on the bottle. I don't know, that's always very cute to me for some reason. Caution, For professional use only. Well, thank God I am a professional. Shake well before use. Rinse thoroughly and towel blow dry. Apply enough effigy treatment to thoroughly saturate hair. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Seat client under medium heat dryer with high airflow. I don't have a medium heat dryer, but it says alternatively, a hand dryer may be used, but hair should not be agitated while drying. When effigy treatment is dried into the hair becomes extremely hard. Do not, and I repeat, do not comb or brush hair while effigy treatment is dried and in the hair. Okay. Don't have to scream at me, but that's fine. So yeah, you just gotta put this on towel damp hair and then you gotta wait for it to get hard. That's what she said. And then you're gonna rinse it out again and then this. Seems very easy, very doable. I don't think there's a way that I'm gonna mess this up. So I have a little spray bottle right here where I'm just gonna pour the protein treatment in. And yeah, ignore the fact that it says anti-shit spray. Because this used to be like, what's it called? Like an air freshener, like a DIY air freshener. So that's why it says this, but it's not anymore, it's empty now, okay? Pour it in there. This Loki looks like piss. Let's do this in sections. Didn't really specify how much you have to use. It just says that your entire hair has to be covered. So yeah, let's just do that, I guess. Oh. I'm just gonna use... Oh! It got in my eye? How do I even... What the hell? How do I even do that? That stinks. That's not good for your eye. I'm pretty sure it said on the packaging that you have to avoid your eyes at all costs. Anyway. Oh! Ah, why does that sting? That stings on the back of my neck. Do I have like a cut over there or something? Ooh! That doesn't feel good. Okay, we're just gonna ignore that. The spray is so loud. Ew. The protein mist got in my mouth. God, does that mean I finally have my daily protein intake now? Is that the same protein? Like the protein that you need to eat? Is that the same as the one that's in here? Oh, or is this like keratin, right? That's like a type of protein? I don't know. Like what will happen if I just drank this bottle right now? Would that mean that I will get extremely buff the next time I go to the gym? Like I'm gonna gain crazy muscles? Or would that mean that I have to be taken to the hospital? I don't know. It kind of changed my hair color. Can you see that? It made it more like mossy green. That's pretty cool. It's like soaking wet still. So now I have to blow dry it. So I will just fast forward that because that's probably gonna take a while. So. Oh wait. I shouldn't move my hair. That's what they said. Just stay still and just move the blow dryer around. Yeah. It is about 5 hours later. My hair is finally dry. Even though I know it still looks wet, but it is actually dry. And it's like rock solid. I mean, I don't know if you can tell. I try not to move it. I'm trying not to move it too much because I don't want it to snap off. But yeah, this is like hard. Can you see how it moves? So what I just have to do is rinse it with some water under the shower and then use the balancing moisturizer. I'm just gonna do this in the shower because it's like easier. And unfortunately I can't film in the shower. I would love to show you guys the process of me washing my hair out. But unfortunately I don't have a window in my bathroom. So literally 2 seconds after like turning the shower on, just the whole lens like fogs up and you won't be able to see a single thing. I'll just insert some stock footage so you kind of know the vibe. wash my hair. I wash my hair. I put the product in, the balancing moisturizer. It made my hair feel different than normal. I don't know. I didn't really like how it made my hair feel, but maybe I'm just being paranoid right now. I don't know. Like, it made my hair feel like fake, like it wasn't actual hair, but maybe that is what hair is supposed to feel like, and my hair normally feels like it's not actual hair. I don't know. But I did do the hair strength stretch test. Oh my god. Hair strength stretch test. Yes. Where I got a piece of hair that's wet and I like pulled it and see how stretchy it was. And I have good news. My hair did in fact not break off. It stretched a little bit and then it went back again. It was very bouncy, very elastic. Like very how hair is supposed to be. So that's good news. Let me just get the towel off. But yeah, this is... Oh, I feel like it looks very shiny compared to what it normally looks like. So that's a good thing, right? I love my hair so much better when it's wet. Because it's not frizzy. To see the full effect, I'm just gonna let it air dry because I don't want to interfere with the structure of my hair. So yeah, I will probably talk to you girls in about 8 hours. See you later! Kabam! Ewa! It is about, I would say, 5 hours later now, and I think my hair, I mean, it's still not completely dry, but it's pretty much dry, you know, dry enough. And yeah, this is the end result of my little protein experiment. And I gotta say, it definitely did do something to my hair. I mean, the ends are definitely, I mean, still a little bit crusty, but they feel a lot better. Like, I don't know if this sounds weird, but it feels like stronger and more like hair. Because normally, if I would feel the ends, it would feel like very rough. It was like sandpaper. And now it feels pretty soft. Also, I have more texture in my hair now because, as we all know by now, I apparently have wavy hair, something that I didn't really realize for the longest period of my life. And yeah, my waves have a very hard time existing because I always bleach the living shit out of it. And I never take care of my hair the way you are supposed to take care of when you have like textured hair. But I'm trying my best, okay? I actually haven't straightened my hair in about 3 weeks. And I honestly think that that is a personal record. I am on the right path, everybody. You should be proud of me, please. And you can definitely see that the texture is like way better. Especially on like the back of my hair. Also, yeah, I have so many like broken pieces. So it looks kind of weird. Because also the broken pieces is all like pretty healthy hair. So that always curls. That curls like way better than the rest of my hair. I don't know. You can definitely see that it's cooking. I am happy with what it did to my hair. If any of you have troubles with your hair just like me, then maybe consider getting a protein treatment in your hair. Because apparently protein is something that we really need. I don't know why. I don't know why it's advertised all of the time in all of the foods and drinks and hair products. I don't know what's up with protein, but apparently we need it. And this is kind of living proof of that, I guess. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. And I hope to see you in my next video. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao, kiss, bye bye, ciao.